In developed countries, buildings account for a significant part of resource consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and waste generation. Building sustainably has certainly become a key requirement for contractors and architects. Regulations and eco-labels are pushing for more sustainable solutions in construction. Insulating buildings is the most cost-effective way to reduce their energy consumption and CO2 emissions. Up to 90% of the energy used for heating or cooling can be saved, with no need for maintenance. At isover, the reference for sustainable insulation solutions, we believe that life cycle assessments are the most reliable technique to evaluate the environmental impact of construction solutions and buildings. LCA assesses the consumption of natural resources, energy and water, emissions and releases into the air, ground and water, and waste generation. The impacts are calculated at each stage of building life, from cradle to grave, from the extraction of raw materials, the manufacturing of the products, to their end of life, following deconstruction or demolition of the building. At isover, the principles of LCA are embedded in our DNA. For example, isover glass wool is manufactured with sand, a rapidly renewable resource abundant in nature, and an increasing percentage of recycled glass, which helps preserve natural resources and save energy during manufacturing. We are continuously improving the environmental performance of our manufacturing sites. We optimize groundwater extraction by increased use of closed-circuit systems and improved processes. Between 1999 and 2011, freshwater consumption per ton of produced glass wool has been reduced by 30%. isover uses the most efficient techniques available to save energy, water, and natural resources, to lower gas and dust emissions into the air, and to decrease production waste. Energy consumption and CO2 emissions per ton of produced glass wool have been reduced by 19% between 1993 and 2010. We minimize production waste going to landfill. 75% of our glass wool production waste is recycled. We use the resilient properties of glass wool products to compress them by a factor of up to 10 at the time of packaging and palletizing. This patented process improves handling, reduces the need for packaging materials, and lowers the environmental impacts of transportation. Moreover, to reduce the transportation impact, isover plants are located close to our markets. isover offers a wide range of products and systems meeting the requirements of different applications. Offcuts of isover glass wool products during installation are limited and can be shipped back for recycling. Once the glass wool insulation is installed, its real sustainability potential kicks in. It drastically reduces the energy needed to keep the building warm or cool and improves indoor environment and comfort. Over its installed life, usually 50 years, a typical isover glass wool insulation product can save up to 300 times the energy consumed and the CO2 emitted in its manufacture, transport, and disposal. The energy and CO2 balance switches to positive only a few months after installation. At the end of life of a building they have protected for many years, isover glass wool products can be recycled. isover is developing waste management schemes to properly collect, sort out, and process the end-of-life waste to become new glass wool insulation or to manufacture other useful products, such as bricks. The most sustainable energy is saved energy. Being at the heart of the Saint-Gobain Sustainable Habitat Strategy, we have the responsibility to reduce our footprint on the environment. isover sustainable insulation solutions are putting natural resources to work for the benefit of our planet.